Hello everyone. I'm here. My name is Fatih Fikri Oktavianto. I'm the first author of this paper entitled Spatial Augmented XGBoost for Railway Track Geometry Forecasting under Limited Temporal Observation. The first, background and motivation. Railway track geometry directly affects safety, ride comfort, and maintenance planning. Existing forecasting models generally rely on sufficient historical inspection record. In practice, many railways have only a few inspection cycles available. The example, this TW1, TW2, TW3, TW4, that mean triwulan in Indonesia. We just have 4 triwulan. Next, challenge in existing forecasting method. Existing forecasting model like LSTM, that mean deep learning model, and CNN LSTM, hybrid deep learning model, and time series model, statistical forecasting approach, require long historical observation, just a many inspection cycle. And railway inspection data, quarterly track geometry inspection, only 4 inspection snapshot, just TW1, TW2, TW3, and TW4. That means limited temporal observation and inefficient temporal information challenging for accurate forecasting. Purpose idea leverage dense spatial information instead of relying on long temporal history. Overview of XGBoost framework. Firstly, uh, raw data, raw data. Second, spatial feature construction. Third, delta-based prediction. Fourth, XGBoost training. 5, physical constraint. And the last, final prediction. Spatial feature engineering, 5 group of spatial feature. First, snapshot feature, that means geometry measurement at the current location, like TW1, TW2, TW3. And number 2, neighbor feature, value from surrounding point within K neighbor, K 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 3, gradient feature. First order spatial gradient capturing local change between adjacent point. And number 4, rolling statistic. Rolling window statistic mean STD median range along the track. And the last, delta feature, change between consecutive snapshot to model degradation trend. Example, TW true minus TW1. Neighbor concept, like from this picture, use value from neighbor. If you will predict one location, you must see other location near you. Rolling window concept, example, window size 5. If you see near about your location will you predict, uh, you must give window for a rolling window. Compute statistic within the window to describe local track condition around the current point. Experimental setup. Study area, we use Jakarta Bogor corridor on one of the busiest and most important rail corridor in Indonesia. Double track electrified railway operated by PT Kereta Api Indonesia. And then data set. We have 219,000 measurement point, total spatial position along the track, and the sampling interval 0.25, high resolution measurement. And inspection cycle, there is 4 quarterly inspection, TW1, TW2, TW3, TW4. Geometry parameter, there is 7 track geometry parameter. The first, right longitudinal level. Second, left longitudinal level. Third, right alignment. Fourth, left alignment. 5, chan. 6, straight gauge. And number 7, twist. Evaluation strategy, rolling forecasting strategy is used to predict TW4 using the previous 3 interaction. That means TW1 to TW3 as input. The model is trained on TW1 to TW3 data and evaluated on TW4. This setup reflects a real-world forecasting scenario. Prediction performance. The first parameter, right alignment, have R-squared score 0.66. The performance good. And the second parameter, left alignment, have R-squared score 0.65. Performance good. And the third parameter, chan, have R-square 0.95. Performance best. And the fourth parameter, track gauge, have R-squared score 0.86. Performance good. Number 5, right longitudinal level, have R-squared 0.88. Performance good. Number 6, left longitudinal level, have R-squared 0.89. Performance good. And the last parameter, twist, have R-squared score 0.53. Note on right longitudinal level and left longitudinal level, both level show good performance with R-square higher of 0.80. However, their MAE value minus 0.71 and minus 0.78 are relatively higher compared to other parameters, indicating larger average prediction of error. Overall result, all 7 geometry parameters are successfully predicted using the proposed SAXGBoost framework. And the best performance parameter is chan, that means pertinggian in Indonesia. Have R-squared score 0.95. And the next, prediction visualization. The first graph is show chan, and the second graph show track gauge, and the last show twist. In graph of chan, excellent tracking. R-squared score 0.95. Predicted curve closely follow the actual profile. And the track gauge graph, good trend following. R-squared score 0.86. Overall trend is captured with minor deviation. And the last parameter in the graph, twist, larger deviation. R2 score, R square score 0.53. Greater variation leads to lower prediction accuracy. Key finding and discussion. Number 1, spatial feature, neighbor feature contributed up to 74% of total feature important. This confirms that local spatial information is the most influential predictor. Number 2, longitudinal level. Both longitudinal level parameter like angkatan kanan and angkatan kiri achieve high R2 score. R-square score, indicating that the overall trend is captured well. However, their MAE remained relatively higher, minus 0.71 and minus 0.78, indicating larger average prediction error. And number 3, twist was the most challenging parameter due to higher local variability and sensitivity to short-term irregularities, resulting in the lowest R-square 0.53 and higher SMAPE 5.53%. Overall, the result demonstrate that spatially aware future engineering effectively compensates for limited temporal observation and enable accurate geometry forecasting. Conclusion and future work. What's the conclusion? ExaXGBoost effectively forecast railway track geometry under limited temporal observation. Spatial feature engineering successfully compensates for limited temporal information. Best performance was achieved on Chan parameter R square score uh, 0.95, while twist remained the most challenging parameter. What's the future work? Integrate weather and operational factor such as precipitation, temperature, train load, and speed. Evaluate on additional railway corridor to improve generalizability across different network characteristic. Explore hybrid spatio-temporal model, including deep learning approach to capture complex dependency. The study demonstrates that leveraging dense spatial information through SRXGBoost enables accurate and reliable railway track geometry forecasting even with only 4 temporal observation. Thank you. That's my presentation.